Hello everyone, so we're standing in the Ban Gioc waterfall near the China borderline. Yeah, it's Tony, traveling with two Australian people. Yeah, we just came here as landscape's beautiful. And we can see China territory, not so far away from here. There, they are wearing a life jacket, very colorful. That's China, and here Vietnam. Amazing. We're quite lucky here because last week it rained a lot, so that's why here a lot of water. Hello Colin, hello Nita. Yes. You enjoy it here? Yes, a lovely country. You want to go to China now? Not today. Yeah, we still have a lot of things to do in Vietnam, in Hanoi. We just came here together. Right. I need to come back to Cao Bang now. Yes. Hello.